Faster, Dad! You are falling behind! Driver, please slow down!
We are only returning one gift. How did this become a race across the whole city?
Because it is an important gift. Returning it is the right thing to do. Things became difficult when you stopped to buy that.
I was trying to get the receipt back. Buying the rod was not part of the plan.
No, this started because of Peter. How is that my fault? It rolled into our yard. And then you pressed every button. That is not how it started. It started with my ball. Wow! This is the robot I love!
Best gift ever! Hold on tight! Let's work together!
It can say so many things! Where did you get it? It rolled into our yard. It fell when a bus went by.
A bus? Which way did it go?
That way, toward the market.
Toys do not usually roll into people's yards.
Pick up Tom's robot. Buy his favorite potato wraps. Be home before 8. His 8th birthday. A father bought this for his son. His birthday is tonight. So this is a birthday gift. We have to return it. But where does he live? There is no address.
Wait, here is a name. Owen Miller. And this is the toy shop. The owner may know him.
Then the toy shop is our first stop. And the man who dropped this went the same way, toward the market. We follow that road. It is almost 6. We have about 2 hours.
This receipt is our only clue. We must keep it safe. Hey! Our only clue!
Follow it! It is turning left! You already have 6 fishing rods.
But none of them is this light.
No.
Got it!
We got our clue back! Now we can find the toy shop! The shop is near the market, the same way the bus went. That jeepney goes there. We should take it. Then let's go!
Wait for me. 1 minute. Feel this one. Light as a feather. The rod is light. The price is not. Too many zeros? My wife will see every one of them. For you, I can remove one. That is not the price. No. But the rod already looks cheaper.
One cast. Then you can walk away.
He is going to shout when he opens the robot. I shouted, and it was not even mine.
Just 1 minute. Emma?
Wait! Ah! Hey! Sorry, I am in a hurry.
Can that rod catch buses too?
For that price, it should.
Then why were you running? The receipt leads us to the toy shop. We find the shop, ask about Owen, and return the gift before 8. And if the owner does not know him, then we keep looking. What if we are late?
One, 2, 3, 4. No! The gift! Tom waited so long for that robot. I promised him. I have to find it.
The toy shop is somewhere near here.
Hold on tight.
That is good advice.
Is that a potato wrap? Yes. It must be the food from Owen's notebook. It smells really good. Peter, I am still walking.
Was that? Owen!
No. It could be any bag.
2 potato wraps for Tom? Yes, they are his favorite. And the birthday robot? He has talked about it for weeks.
I lost it.
You lost the gift? I looked everywhere. I still have to get home before 8. I only ordered 2 wraps. The extra food is for Tom, my birthday gift to him.
I cannot pay for that.
You do not have to. Take it home while it is still warm. Thank you. He will be very happy.
Poor thing. Stay still. The gift!
I can reach it.
Dad, this is your moment!
Hey, my dinner! Sorry, wrong catch!
Wow!
Oh no, try again.
The birthday gift is broken. David,
The kitten moved. Nobody could hold that line. No, this is my fault. Wait, the toy shop is only 2 streets away.
And?
We can buy another robot and ask where Owen lives. Both in one place.
Then let's go! All right, but this time carefully.
What are you trying to reach? All right, let me help you. Lucky day. No, someone is probably worried about this. Please return this to her. I have to get home to my son.
We would like to buy a robot like this one. And do you know the customer on this receipt? We are returning the robot Owen dropped, but it broke, and we want to buy one just like it.
I know this receipt. Owen bought this robot for his son this morning.
You know Owen?
Yes. He paid a little every week until he had enough. Do you know where he lives? On Lantern Hill, near the old clock tower. A small blue house with a yellow door. And that was the last robot of this model. I have a newer one. It is not on sale yet. But it costs more.
If it makes that family happy, it is worth it. My wallet is gone. It must have fallen at the market.
I used most of my cash at the fishing shop.
We came all this way.
I am sorry. This robot is expensive. I cannot give it away. Is that the new super light rod? Wow, that one is expensive, $300.
300?
Not that much. I only paid 1/3. 1/3? But that is not... Yes, it was on sale. A very special price. So, about the robot? Let us make this easy. We trade. The rod for the robot. Deal. Leave this one too. I can use the parts. It was on sale, honey. 1/5 off.
We do not have the fishing rod anymore.
We traded it.
That is a polite way to say you lost it.
I did not lose it. I caught a robot with it.
Can we take the bus? Our money and cards are in the missing wallet.
I have enough for half a ticket.
Then we walk. My arms hurt. My turn.
I have it.
Almost there.
Let's work together!
That woman. Do I know her? This is it. We found the house. We can finally give everything back.
Did you bring the potato wraps?
2 wraps, just the way you like them. And extra potatoes.
With the mild sauce? And my present?
I bought it. I bought it this morning, but I lost it on the way home.
It is okay. The food is still warm. We can eat together.
What is that?
What is it, Dad?
The gift! I lost it. How did it get here?
My gift? Really?
Best gift ever!
It really is the best gift ever. Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, buddy.
Did a fairy bring it back?
No, I think more than one fairy helped us today. Excuse me? Does this belong to you?
Yes, thank you.
Who found it? A man named Owen Miller. Owen Miller?
Yes. Do you know him?
We met him today. Almost. He returned our wallet, and we returned his gift. And nobody knew.
How many wraps can you eat?
2. He said wraps, not the whole stall. Now I know why Tom wanted this food. Because it is delicious? That too. Owen lost the robot, but he still brought dinner home.
And Tom only wanted to eat with his dad.
Maybe dinner together was the best gift. For many people, the best gift is simply sharing a meal with someone they love.
When was the last time you shared a meal with your family?
Tell us who you would share a meal with. You can write, my parents, my children, my grandparents, my whole family. Or tell us about a family meal you still remember.
And now, can we eat before Peter finishes everything?
Too late!